Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make this hair for doll. The head has 60 stitches at its widest part, so I'm gonna crochet 60 stitches wig as well. If your doll's head is smaller, you should also make your wig smaller. You can visit my Etsy shop for this doll tutorial, link in description box. I use 2.5mm crochet hook and superfine yarn. Check description box for more details. Okay, let's start with magic circle. Chain 1 and make 6 single crochet inside the magic circle. So this is your first single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet, 4, 5 and 6. Close the magic circle and let's start round number 2. We will work in the back loops only. So here you can see where the back loops are, and make 2 single crochet into each stitch. So we should have 12 stitches at the end of this round. So 2 single crochet into each stitch, 12 stitches altogether in round number 2. Replace your marker and start round number 3. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat around. You should have 18 stitches at the end of the round number 3. Round number 4, make 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches, then make 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and repeat that sequence around. So 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet into the next stitches. You should have 24 stitches in round number 4. Round number 5, make 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and make 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and repeat this sequence around. You should have 30 stitches in round number 5. Round number 6, make 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and make 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat the sequence around. You should have 36 stitches at the end of round 6. Round number 7, make 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches and then make 2 single crochet into the next stitch. So you should have 42 stitches altogether in round number 7. So 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches, 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Round number 8, make 1 single crochet into the next 6 stitches and then make 2 single crochet into the next stitch. You should have 48 stitches altogether in round number 8. So 1 single crochet into the next 6 stitches, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and repeat that sequence around. In round number 9, we will make 1 single crochet into the next 7 stitches, then make 2 single crochet into the next stitch. So you should have 54 stitches altogether in round number 9. 1 single crochet into the next 7 stitches, 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat around. And round number 10, make 1 single crochet into the next 8 stitches, then make 2 single crochet into the next stitch. So you should have 60 stitches altogether in round number 10. 1 single crochet into the next 8 stitches, 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat around. round 11 we will start with the decrease. Make one decrease in round number 11. And remember, we are still working in the back loops only. Put through all three loops, and now make one single crochet into each stitch. So you should have 59 stitches in this round. Round 12. Make one single crochet into each stitch. So we should have 59 stitches in round number 12. One single crochet into each stitch. And we are still working in back loops only. Before you start next round, check the wig. Is wig match to your head? I can see my wig is a bit too wide, so I'm gonna to make 2 decreases, but you might make just 1 decrease, maybe 3 decrease. You need to check by yourself. I'm gonna make 2 decreases. So I will start my round number 13 by 2 decreases, then I will make 1 single crochet into each stitch, and then I will check again. That is looking good. Let's start the fringe. So we will make the fringe by chain 11. So chain 11. So here we have 11 chain, and starting from the second chain from the hook, make 1 single crochet into each chain. So first single crochet, second single crochet, three, 3, 4, make 10 single crochets all together. And when you finish, make 2 slip stitches to the next 2 stitches. So 2 slip stitches, you can make it under both loops. 1 slip stitch, second slip stitch, and chain 11 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and again. Starting with in second chain from the hook, make 10 single crochet, 1 single crochet into next 10 stitches, and again slip stitch to the next 2 stitches, and make 3 hairs more, so 5 hairs altogether. And when finish your 5th hair, slip stitch to the next stitch and cut the yarn and leave really long tail. You need save around all hairs. And now we will work in first 3 rounds in our front loops. We will make our hairs. So we will work in these 3 rounds and in that direction. So let's start. Insert your hook into 1, 2, 3. So into that stitch. Then insert your yarn, pull through, and chain 27. You can chain more if you want longer hairs. I'm chaining 27. So this is my 27 stitch, and now starting in 3rd chain from the hook, make 1 half double crochet into each stitch. So this time half double crochet, not single crochet. 1 half double crochet into 25 chains. So you should have 25 half double crochet. 1 half double crochet into each chain starting in 3rd chain from the hook. Now at the end, skip next stitch and make 2 slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. So 1 slip stitch and 2nd slip stitch. And now again chain 27 and make 1 half double crochet into each stitch starting from the 3rd chain from the hook. So we should have 25 half double crochet into 1 hair. And again skip 1 next stitch and make 2 slip stitch into the next stitches. And make more hairs until you reach end of the round number 1. So we are going this direction. I will meet you when I finish my hairs. So work from outside to inside. So I have made my wig. Now I'm gonna show you how to attach the wig to the head. The center of my wig will be a bit lower than center of my head. So this is center of the head. This is the center of the wig. I'm gonna use the pins for help. Okay, let's start. Insert your needle. So we will go that direction, then the fringe will be last. Insert your needle into both loop of the wig, like this. And then insert your needle under the 1 stitch of your head. You can keep your stitches loosely, it is easier that way. Then tighten them every 5-6 stitches. And again insert your hook under your wig. And then again under your wig, but from this side. And then into the head. And continue working like this all around. So continue, I will meet you when we start the fringe. And sew in the fringe exactly same way like you did the wig. So that's it, I have attached the wig to the head. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please leave thumbs up. And write the comment below what would you like to see in the next video. Thanks for watching, bye!